Okay, who is Rifat?
I'm Rifat.
You are
Sir,
Rifat.
I'm Arafat, sir.
Look like same.
Yes, sir.
You're Arafat.
Yes, Arafat.
You're Rifat.
I am Rifat.
Okay, how will know? Twin, right?
It's my name is Arafat.
Okay,
It's my identity.
it's your identity
Yes, sir.
Arafat
I am
and
Rifat, sir.
Rifat. আমি ভুলে যাই কি রিফাত কি আরাফাত, both are twin. Okay, Arafat?
Yes, sir.
Rifat ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the practical speaking test of English fantasy. So are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, fine. In this first part of the test, I'm going to ask you some questions.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about yourself.
My name is Arafat Ahmed Sikdar. You may call me Arafat. It's my nickname.
Right.
And my family, friends, every people call me Arafat.
All right, Mr. Arafat, tell me something about yourself.
So this is Rifat. I am from Shariatpur, Noria, and you can call me Rifat.
All right, Mr. Arafat, do you work or study?
Currently, I am a student. I didn't work any type of job. Right now, I am English fantasy for my English learning purpose.
Thank you. How many members do you have in your family?
Sir, we have 5 members in my family. My father, my mother, and my one little sister, and my grandmother,
Okay.
and also my brother. 5.
Whom do you love most in your family?
Both my parents, but I most like my father. My father is a very hardworking person. That he is always supported me and always he encouraged us. Not only my father, but also my parents. I love my father and also my mother. My mother cares me and he teaches us everything properly. And on the other hand, my father also hardworking person. He also encouraged me. That's it.
Thank you. Can you imagine? আমি মাঝে মাঝে টেনশনে পড়ে যাই কে আরাফাত কে রিফাত। আরাফাত রিফাতের আম্মা একদিন এসে আমাকে বলে, স্যার আপনার থেকে আমরা কোর্স ফি ফেরত নিয়ে নিব। কোর্স ফি ফেরত নেবেন মানে? আমি আবার প্রশ্নের উত্তর দিলাম। সে বলল, স্যার আমার 2টা ছেলে, এখান থেকে আমি 8 পাবো IELTS এ। 8 পেয়ে আপনি বলেছেন না ভিডিওতে, যদি কেউ 8 পায় তাহলে তার কোর্স ফি ফেরত দেন। আমি সেটা করতে চাই। আমিও সেই দিনের অপেক্ষায় আছি। ওকে, মিস্টার আরাফাত। Oh, you are. Okay, Mr. Rifat. Okay. How often do you go to restaurant and with whom do you love to go there?
Sir, I usually go restaurant on weekends 2 or 3 times, and I go with my friends and also my family. But I most of the time I go with my friends because when I go with my friends, that time I feel good and I feel very better. That's
Fine. Okay. What kind of music do you like most?
Classic music and folk music I every time listen because it's a favorite to me. And when I was class 7, that time every time I listen this type of song.
Thank you. Mistake is a key of success. আমাদের আরাফাত রিফাত তাদের কথা কিন্তু অনেক ভুল হচ্ছে, বাট থিং ইজ দ্যাট আমি তাদেরকে ভুল করলে খুবই এনকারেজ করি, কারণ যদি ভুল না পড়ে শিখবে কোন জায়গা থেকে, এই ভুলগুলো দেখে এদের কারেকশনটা এরা আবার নিজেরাই করবে। ওকে, সিনিয়র কে দুজনের মধ্যে?
Arafat senior.
আরাফাত সিনিয়র।
Senior, yes.
আচ্ছা, কত মাসের সিনিয়র?
These are 1-2 times. 1-2 minutes.
1 minute.
Just 1-2 minutes. Just.
All right. That means Arafat is senior. Rifat is junior, right?
Yes, sir. Junior.
1 minute senior.
Yes, sir. 1 minute just. 30 seconds.
30 minutes.
30 seconds.
30 seconds
Yes,
senior.
sir.
এটা নিয়ে কি দুজনের মধ্যে ঝগড়া বাঁধে না? I am your senior.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Mr. Arafat, could you tell me how was your journey with English fantasy?
Okay, sir. Before coming English fantasy, I could not speak in English properly. But right now, I speak in English fluently. And English fantasy is environment so good, and learning this environment learning is so beautiful. And on the most thing is that English fantasy, every teachers and every student so friendly, and we learn lots of things. And it's a very beautiful place, and it's in at Mohammadpur. And English fantasy is not just a institution. It's a one kind of family, and we learn lots of things with our teachers.
Thank you. In English fantasy, do you speak Bangla or English?
So no, sir. When I speak Bangla, I have to find every word.
Every single word.
Every single word I have to find.
Okay, how much have you paid?
I have only 2 months already. 400 paid. 400 paid.
Thank you. In 2 months, he has paid around 400.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Rifat. Okay, how was the journey with English fantasy?
Sir, before coming English fantasy, I cannot speak English, but I have completed my course right now, and right now I am able to speak in English. Not properly, but I am able to speak in English, and I have learned lots of things, lots of structure, lots of grammar in English fantasy. And English fantasy, every teachers, every mentors so cordially, and they teach us properly. And thank you, especially I thank you for it, sir. You have the managing director of English fantasy, and you have made English fantasy properly. And in this environment, in any type of people after coming English fantasy, they have to speak English. Every single word of Bangla we have to pay fine 10 taka, and I have already paid 300.
300.
Yes, sir.
He has paid around 400. He has paid
300.
300. That means equals 700 taka. They have paid because of they use some Bengali word.
Unfortunately. Yes, sir.
Tongue slip করে যদি কেউ বাংলা কথা বলে তাহলে they have to pay. So Mr. Arafat and Mr. Rifat, I'm really happy to see you. Thank you so very much and best of luck. What's your requirement IELTS score?
Sir, I would like to 7, sir.
You want to get 7?
Yes,
You?
I also 7, sir. 7 is the best.
Thank you and best of luck.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.